Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming power and parts. Identify whether the LED strip is 5V or 12V because that decides the power supply. Next, attach the correct controller, USB for simple camera power, Wi-Fi for remote control. Once done, route the power cable and test the supply with a multimeter. Make sure polarity is correct. Position LEDs relative to your camera for even light. Then connect the controller to your recording device, if needed so you can sync lighting during the shoot. Now you wire and mount. Cut only at the marked pads, then solder or clip wires to secure signal and ground. Avoid twisting bare wires. Once wired, attach the strip to a diffuser or frame to soften shadows and use clamps to keep placement stable. After mounting, connect the controller to the power supply and pair it with its app or set DMX/IR channels so colors and brightness are controllable. Finally, run a quick brightness test at camera exposure settings so you can tweak color temperature and intensity. Finish by syncing the camera to the LEDs. Set white balance and color profile so skin tones look natural, lower ISO to reduce noise, and pick a shutter speed that prevents flicker. Make sure capture software has shortcuts or scenes for lighting changes so you can trigger looks live. If things go wrong, check the power supply, confirm connectors are seated, update controller firmware, and match camera frame rate to mains frequency, 50 or 60 Hz, to eliminate flicker. Then record a short test clip and adjust.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.